Welcome back to Future Drive, where we push tomorrow's machines to their absolute limits. In the year 2050, winter isn't just a season. It's an intelligent, unpredictable force of nature. Avalanches are no longer just snow falling down a hill. They're high-speed, dynamic events. Survival in these conditions takes more than just horsepower. It requires advanced, predictive intelligence. Today, we're pitting the legendary Jeep Wrangler's future evolution, the 2050 Arctic-X, against a simulated Category 7 snow avalanche. This isn't just any simulation. It's powered by an AI that models real-time environmental physics, creating a truly living disaster. This is the ultimate test of traction, stability, and cutting-edge survival technology. We're about to find out if the iconic Jeep still rules the most extreme environments on Earth, or if Mother Nature, enhanced by AI, finally wins. Let's get this test started. We're deep inside the Arctic Ring Testing Dome, a colossal structure where we can recreate the planet's harshest conditions. The temperature here is currently a bone-chilling -65 degrees Celsius, with simulated winds howling at 200 kilometers per hour. The artificial snowpack beneath us is intentionally engineered for instability, ready to break at a moment's notice. But the Jeep 2050 Arctic-X came prepared for this fight. It's equipped with revolutionary CryoGrip tires that literally reshape their tread, pattern in real time to match the terrain, going from smooth to spiked in milliseconds. Its zero-lag electric torque system delivers power to each wheel instantly, eliminating any possibility of spinout. The body is coated in a nanotech thermal armor that prevents ice from building up, even in these extreme temperatures. Most importantly, it has an advanced Avalanche Radar with a 6-kilometer scanning range, constantly looking for danger. And if things go sideways, quite literally, its auto-stabilizer legs are designed to deploy during extreme slides to keep it from rolling. But all this incredible tech means nothing if it gets hit by the full, unrestrained force of a mega avalanche. The theory is sound, but now it's time to see it in practice. The challenge begins. The Arctic-X starts its ascent up the frozen, winding trail. It moves with a quiet confidence that only electric power can provide. Suddenly, the dashboard lights up. The Avalanche Radar blares a warning. High above, a massive wall of snow, ice, and rock breaks loose. The simulation AI calculates its speed at a staggering 480 kilometers per hour. Instantly, the Jeep's central AI takes over, activating whiteout mode. The exterior lights shift to a piercing blue hue, a wavelength specifically designed to cut through dense snow fog. The AI simultaneously redistributes traction, diverting power away from slipping wheels and toward those with grip. The Glacier Boost mode engages, giving the Jeep a burst of acceleration. Behind it, the avalanche roars, a deafening cascade of white death. It's not just falling. It feels like it's actively chasing us. As the Jeep rockets forward, it hits an unstable slope. The ground beneath it shifts violently. The entire vehicle tilts to the left at a dangerous 45-degree angle. Before a human could even react, the auto-stabilizer legs deploy from the chassis. They shoot out like a robotic exoskeleton, digging into the ice and snow, bracing the vehicle and keeping it perfectly upright as thousands of tons of snow slam into its side. It's an incredible sight. But the onslaught isn't over. The main wave of the avalanche catches up. In an instant, the world goes dark. The Jeep is completely buried. There's no visibility, no way to move forward or back. The pressure sensors on the exterior are reading 30 tons of force on the doors alone. Anyone would be trapped. This is where Jeep's survival tech truly proves its worth. The cabin automatically switches to deep freeze mode. It seals all air vents, recycling the internal atmosphere. Simultaneously, the exterior thermal armor goes into overdrive, heating the shell to melt a small pocket of air within the snowpack, relieving the crushing pressure. Then, the avalanche escape jets, a series of upward-facing compressed air cannons on the roof, fire in a synchronized blast. They clear a vertical tunnel through the compacted snow above. The AI switches the drivetrain to ice claw mode. The Jeep, slowly and deliberately, begins to crawl upward, its wheels churning and digging like a mountain climber finding a handhold. It breaks through the surface with a shudder, rising from the white depths like a submarine breaching the frozen ocean. With the worst of the avalanche now slowing behind it, the Arctic-X has one final obstacle. The extraction point is at the top of a steep, icy ramp, the final climb to safety. The CryoGrip tires lock into spike mode, thousands of tiny tungsten points digging deep into the slick ice. The torque vectoring system goes to work, sending precise amounts of power to each wheel to prevent any slip. The Jeep begins climbing the near-vertical 60-degree angle slope as the snowpack continues to collapse behind it. It's just meters from the top. When the ground cracks again, the AI had predicted a secondary fracture. A second avalanche breaks loose, smaller but faster, aiming to cut off the Jeep's escape. But this time, the Arctic-X doesn't just brace for impact, it outruns it. The dual motor boost unleashes its full power, launching the Jeep from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds on sheer ice. This is performance that no off-road vehicle before 2050 could have ever dreamed of. It clears the ramp just as the new wave of snow obliterates the path behind it, and just like that, the Jeep 2050 Arctic-X has conquered one of the deadliest forces on the planet. It survived a full burial under tons of snow, an active chase from a high-speed snow wall, and a final surprise avalanche strike. If this is what off-roading looks like in the future, one thing is crystal clear. Jeep isn't just built for adventure anymore, it's built for absolute survival. This was an incredible demonstration of next-generation engineering, and it leaves us wondering what other extreme challenges we can throw at it. We have more extreme future vehicle comparisons coming your way very soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned.